Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add sound to Canva video. So here, as you can see, I've already opened my Canva on my computer, and here I want to add some sound into this video because this video hasn't have sound yet, and I'm going to add some sound. So what you need to do is on the left panel here, search for the audio option, click on more, and then you can see audio here. Click on this, and then you can search some video that you want to add, that you think probably fit into this into the video. For example, I'm going to search typing. Okay, keyboard typing. I'm going to add this into the video, and I'm going to preview the like that. Okay, I'm going to use this. Just click on this, click on the video that you want to add. And because the feed audio is only 14 seconds, I'm going to wait a minute, it's loading. As you can see, the sound has been added into the video like so, and just save the video if you want. Okay, so that's it from me. That is how you can add sound into your Canva video. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.